On April 18, 1891, two trains headed in the opposite direction collided head-on. The news made headlines across the country. The horrific crash happened when a fast mail train heading east and a passenger train going west collided head-on near Kipton, Ohio. The passenger train was supposed to let the mail train go by, but the conductor had not realized that his watch had stopped for 4 minutes and then restarted and missed his opportunity. It was determined the passenger train was late getting to the stopping point. A lack of discipline and abuse of the regulations and standardized system in place was all prevalent. The massive collision killed 9 men, including the engineers of both trains. Several onlookers were injured as well. Enter Webster Clay Ball, a Cleveland, Ohio jeweler and watchmaker, was appointed by the general superintendent in charge of the railroad line to investigate timekeeping issues on the line, if any. Ball was designated chief time inspector, which resulted in strict guidelines he established for the manufacturing of sturdy and reliable precision timepieces. These standards included mandatory record keeping of the reliability of each railroad employee's watch on regular inspection. This inspection, when passed, certified the watch as having RR, or Railroad Standard.